You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of the city. In the Czech Republic, we'll be looking at how to say more names of famous places and famous cities there as well. Karlovy Vary. Karlovy Vary is how it's said in Czech. So, Karlovy Vary, Karlovy Vary. And now you know. More videos over here to learn more. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.